Well, welcome again to Vintage Farmhouse Antiques on YouTube, and this video is going to show you this rather magnificent large platter, blue and white floral design, really pretty, sort of around the rims principally, isn't it? But it sort of overflows onto the base of this platter, which is in absolutely superb and bright condition. This is made by Keeling & Co. The pattern name is Kendal. And just let me show you this in some more detail. Just look at the detail on the transfer print in this beautiful floral blue and white design. The glaze condition, if I can get reflections on this, is absolutely incredibly good considering its age. There's hardly a knife mark on it anywhere. Let me just reverse it over and show you the Kendal. There's the kneeling potter, Keeling & Company, late Mayer's marks. This is also impress marked Ivory, and it's also got a K&C impress mark here, and the platter size 16 on the underside. There's a nice pattern on the underside. See this wear here? That's exactly what you want on something of this age, to prove that it's got that that history, the age to it really. And the other nice thing that these triple kiln stilt marks where it's been supported in the kiln still showing through on the glaze. Again, all signs of a genuine piece. It's absolutely fantastic. The condition of it couldn't be any better. The weight alone in this piece is really quite substantial. It's a big beast. All the measurements, dimensions and everything will be on the website, but as a dresser display piece, it's an absolute stunning piece. Beautiful blue and white. If you want to get away from the classic blue willow and want something more floral, more decorative, more period English, then you couldn't go wrong with this beautiful large Keeling & Co. Kendal platter. Thanks for watching. All the description, details, sizes, any information and prices will be on the website listing. Just follow the description links below. Thanks for watching.